Hi, it's Nadine here, and I just want to say I have hit 1 year on YouTube. I'm just going to add a pile of different videos over my 1 year on YouTube from videos I've shared already and some that I haven't. So thank you for supporting me, and I hope there's plenty more videos to come in the next year. Thank you guys. Hello, it's Nadine, and this is Albus, the WV. So we've changed the front, we've got single headlights. Got some exciting news, the WV is on the road, so it is super hot. Ooh, where's the light? It is really hot outside, so I'm not doing anything, but I thought I will show you what I did to the WV. Basically, the bog that I did yesterday did not set, so I need to put more hardener in. I have got some tips on what to do, so I will just show you. I'm impressed by how much I did in my little batch, but I need to improve. So it's like a 30+ degree day. This should have set. Some spots where I didn't put as much on set, it's nice and dry. I think all this top part, but where I went a bit, we'll say bog happy, it's not set. So I think it was up here I touched earlier. Yeah, so this one, it's still wet. So I guess it's wet. It's still tacky, and so I can get some on my fingers. That's not good, not what I'm after. Over here, I really need to get that off because I just went bog happy and put a heap on because it was so bad in this area. But yeah, it's a work in progress. That's my first go. but that's where the EH is. That's, oh my god, sorry look, I'm just gonna leave you down there while I have a look. Look at it. Sorry the light's so shit. I didn't, there's 1, 2, 3 lined up. Sorry, my camera is not focusing on the window very well. This special doesn't have any wheels on it.
So I have taped it up. I am going to give it a go spraying it. I'm just going to spray gold everywhere in here. If it gets on a bit of here, I'll just clean up the chrome part. I didn't tape up here because I thought I'm aiming here, so hopefully it goes well.